Mila, and my magic pet Morphle can morph into anything! Wow, cool!
Ooh, what that?
It's my new drone.
That was amazing, Jordy!
Thanks. It's the best drone ever. I want that drone.
Huh?
My drone! It's flying by itself.
Come on!
Whoa! This thing's tricky to steer.
Another lovely day in Petport. Whoa, whoa! What's going on? I'll stop this menace. Whoa!
Officer Freeze!
Ah! How do you control this thing?
Somebody help me!
Don't worry, Officer Freeze! We're coming for you! Quick, Morphle! Morph into a fire truck! It's okay, Officer Freeze! Grab my hand!
Thanks, you three. What is that thing?
It's my new drone, but it's flying by itself.
It's not flying by itself. It's flying by Winston. Look!
Stop, you silly drone!
After him!
What are we going to do?
Morphle! Morph into a crane! Drag the bus back to safety! Good job, Morphle!
Oh, thanks, guys. Oh, that close.
The drone! After it!
Get back here! Ah! Stop! No, please! We have to get that remote control.
And I know how! Morphle, morph into a helicopter!
Yeah! What, you useless thing? Oh!
Stay still, Morphle!
Morphle, try.
Thank you.
Hurry, Mila.
Great job, Mila.
Here you go, Jordy.
This is how you fly a drone.
Nicely done. Every day's a magical day with a magic cat. We learned about fire safety in school today, Morphle.
Ooh, fun.
Good thinking, Morphle. Now we're ready if there ever is a fire.
Smoke.
Morphle, I know how we can put out the fire. Mr. Vanderboos, are you okay? Morphle and I saw smoke.
I was just trying to barbecue.
Oh, we're sorry, Mr. Vanderboos. You know what they say, safety first.
Yeah, and hungry second.
Be on the lookout in case anyone else needs our help, Morphle.
Okay. Huh?
I smell smoke! There! Morphle, we're gonna need a big fire truck to fight this fire.
Okay, Mila.
This way, Morphle! Let's use your fire hose and put it out. Mr. Vanderboos, what are you doing here?
Can't a guy barbecue anywhere in peace?
Oh, no! Oops. But it's better to be safe than sorry.
I am safe. At long last. No one can bother us here. Let the barbecuing begin. Fire! 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 Oh!
It's a real
Mila! Morphle! Boy, am I glad to see you!
Barky! Somebody save Barky!
Morphle, morph into a dump truck. That's how we'll put the fire out. Quick! Scoop up lots of sand.
Ha, good thinking, Mila.
Now dump it on the fire.
Oh, great job, Mila and Morphle!
Thank you, firefighter Stacy. Every day's a magical day with a magic pet.
Now, Mila, you're not well, so you stay at home and rest.
Mila sick?
Yes, Morphle. I have to go into town to pick up some medicine, so you have to make sure Mila doesn't get into any trouble.
But I feel fine.
Down, boy! Get down!
I wonder what's going on.
But Daddy say...
Come on, Morphle. Let's make today magical.
Okay.
Huh? How did Barky get up there?
He was chasing a cat. Can you help him get down, Mila and Morphle?
Sure. Morb into a... Morb? Morb!
I think she means morph.
Yes! Morb into a Tenchi!
Okay.
No! I meant a pterodactyl!
Oh, my cake! My beautiful cake! I'll just have to make another one.
Don't worry, Mr. Vanderboos. We will bring Barky back. Barky! Barky! There he is! Oh, a car! It's Morbid time! Morb into a Oh, I was going to say trug. You know, beep, beep, trug. Mila? Come on, Morphle. We need to find Barky.
Who Mila talk to?
Huh? Oh, there you are, Morphle. Where's Barky?
Bridge!
After him! Barky, hang on! Quick, morph into a dolphin!
Huh?
Oh, a dolphin! You know,
Oh!
gotcha! Let's get you back to Mr. Vanderboos.
Thanks for saving Barky, Mila and Morphle. Let's get you home, my little fur ball.
Come on, Morphle. Let's see who else needs help. Morbid to
I think that's enough adventure for one day, Mila. You need some sleep.
Every day is a magical day with a magic pet. I'm Mila the Magnificent!
Marvelous Morphle!
The amazing April! Never fear, Super Julie is here!
Orphle be superhero too!
Orphle?
Super Orphle fix all problems! Da-da-da!
That doesn't sound good.
I agree. Morphle, morph into a super suit so we can all keep an eye on Orphle. Let's go!
A mighty fine new wind turbine.
Super Orphle to the rescue!
Orphle, wait! It's not supposed to go that fast.
Don't worry, Farmer Bob. We'll help you.
No.
Quick, Morphle! Catch the turbine! put this back where it belongs, Farmer Bob. There!
Oh, you saved the farm.
It's what superheroes do.
Stop! Help!
Another citizen to save.
Bye, Farmer Bob.
Super Orphle to the rescue!
Orphle! What are you doing? Put the bus down!
Okay!
Ah!
Morphle, magnet hand!
I hope you're okay, ma'am.
I am. Thank you, Geordie.
Call me Super Geordie.
My hero.
Can't catch me!
Orphle, stop!
Orphle best superhero! Orphle no superhero!
Morphle, wait! Stop fighting!
Time for Super Push! Ta-da!
Quick, Morphle! Morph into a giant balloon!
Orphle dizzy!
Being a superhero isn't about fighting. It's about helping people.
Orphle and Morphle helping!
Every day's a magical day with a magic pet.
This hair growth serum will give me a full head of hair, Barky.
What's happening?
Daddy?
Daddy Harry!
Huh?
This stuff doesn't work.
Hello there. Ah! A monster!
Hey, you! Stop right there! A hairy monster? Not in my city.
It's not a monster. It's dead.
Get back, Mila. That thing looks dangerous.
Run!
Ah! Freeze! You won't get away.
First, we have to get that hair sprayer. Then, we have to find Daddy and turn him back to normal. Quick, to the lab!
I don't understand why it hasn't worked, Mr. Vanderboos.
I sprayed it all over my head. But look, I still have no hair.
Morphle, I know how we can help Daddy. Morph into a monkey. Then sneak over there and get the sprayer.
I don't understand.
Great job, Morphle.
Not again!
Huh?
I've got you now.
Oh boy.
It's Daddy!
Mila, I'm trapped outside the Magic Pet Center. Please come and rescue me.
We're on our way. Morphle, morph into a kangaroo. It's time to bounce.
Stay where you are.
Wait, please. No.
Got you. No! The monster's too dangerous. Bring the van nearer.
Morphle, morph into a crane.
Morphle!
Woohoo! Way to go, Morphle. Get me closer to Daddy. Almost. There.
No! Stop right.
Let my daddy go.
It's not your daddy. It's a hairy monster.
Oh, yeah?
Thanks, Mila and Morphle.
I don't understand. There was a hairy monster there a second ago.
Don't bother with this stuff. It doesn't work at all. See?
Every day is a magical day with a magic pet. I'm so excited about April's surprise birthday party.
I can't wait to see the look on April's face.
I invited her over to play. She has no idea.
April's gonna love these balloons.
Okay, shh. Everybody get ready to hide. She'll be here any minute.
Oh, no!
Balloons go bye-bye.
Mila, April's here.
Be right there, Daddy! You guys stall April while Morphle and I get the balloons back.
We're on it.
Morphle, quick! Morph into a helicopter so we can catch up to the balloons.
Morphle, morph, morph.
Good job, Morphle. Morphle, can you spot any balloons?
There.
Yes! After them! Almost. Almost. There! Not there.
We're coming. Hey, April.
Jordy? Troy? What are you doing here?
Mila invited us over to play, too.
Cool. Let's all go inside.
Wait! Quick, look over here.
I don't see anything.
Yeah, never mind.
There they are! Quick! After them! Thank you, Mr. Elephant! Oh no! The elephant's tusks are gonna pop the balloons! Hold steady, Morphle! Almost! Oh, not again! Quick, Morphle! After them! Morphle! Morph into a plane so we can zoom over to the construction site and catch the balloons before they pop! Builder Mary!
Huh? Oops. Sorry, Mila and Morphle.
Follow those balloons! Faster, Morphle! Faster! Got him! Woohoo! Cool move, Morphle. Yeah! I sure hope it's not too late to surprise April.
Huh? Mila? You're right on time.
Seriously, you guys? What's going on in there?
Nothing! Ouch!
Sorry, but I'm going in.
Surprise!
Happy birthday, April!
Wow! You all did this for me? Thank you! And balloons? My favorite!
Where's Morphle gone?
Yay!
Morphle! Every day's a magical day with a magic pet.
Finished!
Oh, this is such a cool time machine. Thanks for the help, Professor Paula.
I can't wait to bring it to show and tell.
Wow! I want that thing! Hey! The time machine! Let's go to the future! Morphle! Morph into a rocket so we can chase Winston and the bandits!
Whoa! We're in the future!
There they are!
That robot dog is awesome! Give him to me.
Bark, bark.
If Winston wants a robot, let's show him one! Let go, Winston!
Get off! It's mine!
Morphle! Morph into a Triceratops and come and rescue us! T-Rex! I got rid of the T-Rex. But where did it go? Quick! Follow me! Hey! Over here, Dino Brains! Stay where you are. Don't move yet! Now! Press the button, Winston!
I don't want this anymore.
Maybe we should give this back to Professor Paula. Every day is a magical day with a magic hat.
Hello, Mila and Morphle.
Hi, Aunt Augustine.
Present for Auntie.
We made it from our recycled plastic bottles.
Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. Oh, thank you. Come on, let's get you some cake.
Morphle loves cake.
Oh, my necklace! It's gone!
Don't worry, Aunt Augustine. We'll find it.
Ooh.
This is a case for Detective Mila. Aha! Our first clue. Ooh, a candy wrapper.
A fun necklace.
I know. Morphle, morph into a sniffer dog. Follow the smell of candy. Good job, Morphle. You found more candy.
Huh?
What's wrong, Morphle?
Candy all gone.
There must be other clues around. Aha! Our second clue. Now we know who took Aunt Augustine's necklace.
Bunny Rabbit?
No, silly. The Bandits.
This must be worth loads of money.
Give that back.
Auntie necklace.
Let's get out of here.
Eat my dust!
Hey! Come back here. Morph into a hang glider. Huh? There they are.
Bandits too fast.
Morphle, land over there. Morphle, morph into a spider.
Morphle,
Get ready to make a big web between the buildings. Now, Morphle. Yay! We did it!
Great work, Detective Mila and Morphle. You caught the necklace thieves.
My necklace!
I'll take that.
Thank you.
If you hadn't flown into that giant web, we could have sold that necklace for loads of money.
Winston, Morphle and I made that necklace out of recycled plastic.
Oh, you said it was made of diamonds.
Oh, this may be made of plastic, but it's the most precious thing I own because you two made it. Thank you. Mwah!
Every day's a magical day with a magic hat.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Have fun playing hide and seek.
Ready or not, here we come. I see a dino toy. I wish we could see the whole town. I've got an idea. Morphle, morph into a pterodactyl so we can fly. I see something. Winston, what are you and your uncle doing here?
Bird watching. There it is! There it is! When I get that key, I'll finally have my own magic pet.
Peekaboo! We play hide and seek.
Oh, can we play too, Winston?
I'm not playing. Goodbye.
We've got to keep an eye on the bandits and also find our friends.
What we do?
I know! Morphle, morph into a brachiosaurus, and you can stretch your neck all around town. Come out, wherever you are. He's trying to take Daddy's key. The bandits are trying to steal the key to the Magic Pet Center!
I haven't seen any bandits. And the key is safe. Bye, Mila. Huh?
Woohoo! I got it! I don't got it! Wait, you're not playing hide and seek?
Jordy! The key! Morph into a tall T-Rex! Hurry!
Ah! A T-Rex!
A T-Rex?
Where?
I'm out. Wait, Winston, I didn't know you were playing too.
I'm not playing!
Daddy! Your key!
I knew it would be safe with you around, Morphle.
Winston found all of us.
Bandit win?
I said I'm not play. Wait, I won! What do I get?
To play again. Another magical day with a magic pet.
Where other bandit go?
Hello? Anybody gonna find me?
Thanks again for taking charge of the Magic Pet Center when we're gone, Augustine. No, Morphle is going to stay here with the other magic pets.
Hi, Morphle. Ready to play?
Morphle no want Mila to leave.
Leave? But I just got here.
Daddy say Mila move.
Daddy would never.
Coming through.
Those are my things. Daddy and I really are moving away.
No, Mila.
Don't worry. We won't let this move happen.
The moving truck should be here any minute.
That's it. Morphle, morph into a moving truck. Hurry! Boop, boop, boop.
Ah, there it is.
Good job, Morphle. Quick, let's put the box back inside. Morphle, hide.
Maybe all right. How did this get back in here?
Oh no! After him! But Daddy!
Come on, hop in, Mila. It's getting late.
What about Morphle?
Don't worry. He'll be fine here.
But Daddy!
Yoo-hoo! I'm here to help, Louie.
Right on time. We're just about to leave.
Morphle, take Aunt Augustine far away from here so Daddy can't leave.
Augustine? She must have gone inside. Okay, Mila. Time to go.
No!
Morphle! Morph into a helicopter! Don't let us leave!
Mila, stay with Morphle.
Whoa! Hey! Ow! What's going on here, Mila?
Morphle can't stay behind.
Mila, no, go away.
It's only an afternoon apart.
Afternoon? But we're moving out of town.
Moving out of town? Where did you get an idea like that?
Morphle heard you tell Aunt Augustine that she was taking over the Magic Pet Center because we were moving out of town without Morphle.
Oh, Aunt Augustine just offered to look after the Magic Pet Center while we went across town to donate some things.
Oh, that's why my old clothes were in the box.
No leave, Morphle?
We'd never leave you, Morphle. We're a family.
Yeah!
Every day's a magic day with a magic pet. Uh-huh. It looks just like a Nemi. Let's go show him.
Now's our chance, Yorn. We can take a Nemi. Once a Nemi's brought our magic pet to life, we'll have the perfect candy-stealing creature. Yorn, zap it! Oh! It's alive! Now, go steal us some Halloween candy!
A Nemi gone?
Let's go look for him.
Oh, it's you, Morphle. Stealing candy? Not in my city. Now, where are my extra-large handcuffs?
A giant Morphle!
It's some kind of Frankenmorphle, and it's stealing everyone's candy.
Morphle! Morph into a werewolf and save Geralda.
Morph, morph!
Oh, thank you, Morphle. I thought it was gonna eat me like an ice cream.
Frankenmorphle's getting away!
Wow, Morphle, that's a really good costume. But where's Mila?
Hey! You should have asked if you wanted candy.
Our magic pet is so evil. It's even more beautiful than I imagined.
Oh, my candy!
We need to get a Nemi and turn Frankenmorphle back before it ruins Halloween. Play along, Morphle. Oh, Morphle, won't you try some of this delicious candy?
Candy tasty.
Morphle, morph into a broom and fly over Frankenmorphle.
Morph, morph!
A Nemi! Turn Frankenmorphle back to normal. Thanks, Animi. Now, you bandits will have to give everyone their Halloween candy back. Magic pets won't just do what you tell them to. They have to trust you and be your friend. And that makes every day a magical day with a magic pet.
These flowers look great, Mila. I think we need some more dirt around the yellow ones.
Morphle, how? Morphle! Morph, morph!
Whoa, thanks for helping, Morphle. Looks like the flowers could use some water now.
Morphle fog!
Huh?
Oh no, Morphle! You're getting yourself and everything muddy!
Morphle love mud!
You are one muddy Morphle.
Too muddy. Come on, Morphle. Let's make today magical. And take a bath. This bath is so nice and warm. And look, I'm filling it with bubbles.
Morphle, no bath!
Come on now, Morphle. It's bath time.
Morphle! Morph, morph!
Hold on, Morphle. Maybe he should morph into a ball, but then he'd bounce away. I got it. Morphle, Morphle! Morph into a penguin so you can dive into the pool!
Morphle! Morph!
I'll catch you, Morphle!
Morphle slipping!
Wow! A slip-sliding penguin! Hi! Morphle! I'm coming to get you! We have to stop this! You're getting mud everywhere! Watch out for Mr. Vanderboost! Morphle! Morph into a huge sponge to soak up the water so you can stop!
Morphle! Morph!
My ice cream!
Yay! Ice cream!
Whoa! Watch out, Morphle!
Now I'm wet! Oh. Ugh. Mud? I really don't like mud. Now go home and take your mess with you.
So sorry, Mr. Vanderboost and Barky. I will. Okay, Morphle, you spongy sponge. Let's get you in the bath and all cleaned up.
Well, we finally got our muddy Morphle into the bath.
I know! Now you're all clean, Morphle, so you can come out of the bath.
Morphle bath time! Morphle stay!
Every day is a magical day with a magic pet.
Stand back!
What's that, Officer Freeze?
It's a body swap device, and I have to lock it away before it causes any chaos. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoops! I'm sorry, April.
I have a mustache?
Huh? Uh-oh! They've swapped bodies!
Huh?
That's April.
Hi, Morphle.
And that's Officer Freeze.
Hello, Morphle.
What the? Who the?
Put me down!
I want all the ice cream! Ha ha ha!
Officer Freeze! Help me!
Sorry, I'm April.
Quick, Mila, swap us back.
The battery is empty. It has to recharge before it can swap you back.
Don't worry, everyone. I got this. Put that ice cream truck down immediately.
Little girls can't tell us what to do.
Not in my city. Don't be naughty, naughty bandits.
Chill out, Freeze.
Quick, Morphle! Morph into a dump truck! Let's catch that ice cream, Morphle! Forwards, wait, backwards, little to the right, little to the left. Yeah!
Put the van down. Let's get some ice cream.
Huh? Stop!
Quick, Morphle! Morph into a superhero! Catch that man! We're coming, Geraldo! Faster, Morphle! Almost there!
Thank you, Mila and Morphle.
I've got all the ice cream.
Not in my city. Let's get them. Wait, I can't reach the pedals.
And I can't drive.
We'll get them. Morphle, morph into a dragon!
Morphle! Morph, morph!
Jump on! Blast them, Morphle! It's recharged!
Phew, I'm me again.
That's better. You three are going to jail.
Oh, thank you for rescuing me and my ice cream.
You're welcome. Every day is a magical day with a magic pet.